Who's at fault in this video? The officer, the suspect, or both? We've posted the full video to let you decide.
I don't have to argue with you.
I don't give a f. Who the f you think you are?
What's the latest?
Crazy lady from yesterday.
Well, what room is she at?
She on 138.
Okay. So,
But she didn't be. I thought she was
when is
gone
checkout
yesterday.
time?
It was at 11.
Okay. And where's 13? Right here
On
on
the
this?
other side.
On the other side? Can I walk there? Just go around the building?
Yeah.
I hope not to see you later. And I mean that in a good way. Let me create some distance here. Hi.
You guys know?
Yeah. Are you here for the other lady that's staying there?
That's my mom. Yeah, I'm just running like
Okay.
and I have
Here.
hold on right there.
Hold on right there. So I came here to pick her up. She
I have
doesn't
to
want
tap all your tongue because
Well, she has to. She's
Right.
got-
I understand that, but she's under the influence right now. So I'm trying to get her whatever. I'm trying to get her out of it. I actually was going to call you guys to bake her out to her because she's right now not even in the right frame of mind. I'm extremely concerned.
The Baker Act, also known as the Florida Mental Health Act, helps to provide crisis services for people with mental illness.
Okay. Ma'am, do you want to hurt yourself? You want to kill yourself?
no, I do not.
You want to hurt somebody else?
No, I do not. I just want my stuff that was down in my room by his employees or him or his friends that come here, do human trafficking and do all this stuff here that they want to keep complaining about me. And I'm tired of them stealing from me. I'm tired of them taking my government social security check. I'm tired of him playing on the fact that for 4 years he had me drugged and by himself. Now I'm placing all charges on
Before we go that far, okay? What we really need from you, it's very simple, which is to just gather your things and go about your day.
That's what I'm doing.
I know.
That's what I'm doing.
So
Are you going to call my
move
name
on.
on me?
Oh, so that means nothing. My money, everything was stolen from me means nothing, man. I'll contact the higher authorities then. Okay?
Sure.
Since you want to be paid off. You want to take nothing down?
So I want to pay.
No, but my thing is,
Listen, you keep pushing it, you might just go. You might have to take a ride with me. I'm just giving you a shot. I'm giving you a shot to walk away.
Mommy, just please.
I'm not f***ing around.
Mommy, can you please just get your stuff?
You have a
Okay,
shot
please.
to walk away.
Now, I'm threatened by 4 people over here.
All right.
One
Well,
for each.
I don't threat people. I just
I'll be like, no.
All right.
Promises.
Get your stuff.
Mommy, can you just
Get your stuff.
I'll help you with the other stuff, okay?
At this point, what are you trying to gain from all this? What do you want to see accomplished?
My thing is,
I'm not going to make her act there just because she's intoxicated.
No. She was actually putting her hands on me in there.
Okay, what did she do to you?
She said she did kill me.
Yeah? How did she do that?
She literally pushed me.
Is there any witnesses to that? Because
No.
she literally has not a single mark on her.
No,
And it's funny because that should have been the thing that came out of your mouth first when you opened the door.
Your stuff was in your storage.
What do you mean that should have been okay?
And he
Well,
has
you're trying to report a crime now because you're not getting the results you asked
It's
for.
not about reporting a crime. I'm not trying to
Oh,
report
when you
a crime.
opened that door, you should have said, hey, she just put her hands on me.
I'm not trying to report a crime. I was trying to get a Baker Act just so she can be.
I know, and since that's not working out for you, now you want to report a crime. See how weird that
No,
sounds?
that's not what I'm doing. I was just telling you to see if you did still want it to the Baker Act. So
I'm not doing a Baker Act.
Okay, and that's fine. Because
How is that unclear to you?
Because you're not seeing that here. I understand what you're saying. I got what you're saying now, but I didn't
In
know.
order for me to take someone against her will, I need to meet the criteria. She's not giving it to me right.
Right here in the present. So
And then all of a sudden now a new problem arises.
It's not a new problem.
Ma'am,
It's not a new problem. I just was telling
you're
you what I
fishing,
wanted.
you're just throwing up to see what sticks. Just help her get the stuff out of you
Okay,
before I take her
don't-
for trespassing.
Don't
Okay?
talk to me like that because you don't know me. Don't talk to me like that.
Listen,
That's not what I'm doing. That's not what I'm doing.
it's all right here. It's all right here. From the very
Right.
moment you walked out
My
of the door,
thing
it's all
is-
right here. So
my
I
thing
don't have
is-
to argue with you.
No,
Either you help her,
but you're sitting up there saying that
I'm
now I
just
want to
gonna tell
report
her
something. That's not what
you
I
know
was.
the
It wasn't that I
ultimate.
was trying now to report something. I'm now telling you
How
because of
convenient.
what just happened.
How
What do
convenient.
you mean?
How convenient all of a sudden. How convenient all of a sudden the Baker Act doesn't work for you and now, oh wow, she put her hands on me. And not a single scratch.
I'm just letting you know what happened and transpired. Who the f are you talking to?
You.
Who the f are you talking to?
You.
You're f***ing disrespectful. I was letting you know what's going on.
You want to help her out? Be my guest.
F***ing disrespectful.
Sure.
Disgusting.
Just trying to get something accomplished here.
Getting accomplished.
Apparently.
I don't even know what's going on. I'm just telling you the initial facts and stuff. I'm giving you the details later on. I understand what you're saying and what you can do and what you're thinking you can do for your job or whatever, but don't f***ing speak to me like that. I don't give a f***. You're laughing?
I am laughing.
You're f***ing laughing?
Are you gonna come up to me?
You're f***ing laughing. Are you gonna f***ing come up to me?
Are you gonna walk?
Are you gonna f***ing come up to me?
What are you gonna do?
Ma'am.
What are you gonna do?
The f*** are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What the f*** are you gonna do?
Are you seeing this?
Just let's gather our belongings. Let's get out of here, okay? Do you want to continue with your mother, or do you want to go on about your own?
No, she. What do you want to do?
No, mommy, come get your stuff, please.
Do you guys have a
car's parked
vehicle?
over there.
You have a vehicle?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you get your vehicle so it'll make it easier to take the stuff? Okay.
Oh, you're leaving?
Because this one.
You're leaving me, Yasmin?
No, mommy, I'm gonna bring the vehicle like right here so you can bring your stuff. You know me. I don't give a f. Who the f you think you are?
Ma'am.
I don't give a f.
Ma'am, just get your car. Get your car, okay?
You're smiling? You're smiling? You're f***ing smiling, right?
You need to get the f out my face. You need to get the f out my face because your spit is landed in my face.
I didn't spit on you. I didn't spit on
I told you not to do that. And now you're gonna suffer the consequences.
What?
Put your hands behind your back. Handcuff her.
What the f?
Stop. Man, back up.
Yasmin, give me your stuff.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Please let her go. Please, sir.
I'm trying to help her. You're lying on my name. You're lying on my name. I'm trying to help her. She put her hands on me and you didn't see it. I understand that. I have to take care of my mother who's a drug addict. And you're fucking laughing.
Please, sir. Please let her go.
That's not even funny. I didn't spit on you at all.
Please, sir.
I didn't even spit on you at all. You're laughing at me like it's a joke.
Please let her go. Please, sir.
That's what we're doing now. Take off from my mother and you're arresting me. That's what we're doing now. That's what we're doing now, right? That's what we're doing now. That's what we're doing now. She's put her hands on me saying she's gonna kill me. That's what we're doing now. You're laughing. I gave you chances. You're laughing like it's a joke. I gave you chances. That's what we're doing now. But that's enough because he's seen it. Yeah, okay. Straight garbage. Garbage. Absolute garbage.
Ma'am,
Don't
you're
touch
under
me.
arrest.
For what?
For resisting.
For resisting what?
Opportunities to get
For
away from
resisting, I gave you opportunities to stop laughing. That's a fucking serious situation. That's not fucking funny. That's not funny.
You want to bring to your car?
Yeah, let's go. Let's walk.
For what? What am I being arrested for?
I'll explain it to you.
What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested
Stop
for?
resisting.
Resisting for what? Because you're laughing? You're laughing? You're laughing?
Stop.
You're laughing when she's been under the drugs and I don't even know what the f is going on with her? You laughing? You fucking laughing?
Yep. Gave you enough patience.
Patience? I don't even know who the f raped her while she's under the influence and you laughing. I told you I'm Baker at her. Again, if that doesn't mean criteria when you're here, whatever. But you're not gonna laugh in my face. I gave you opportunities.
Okay.
Garbage. Straight garbage.
Okay.
What am I being arrested for?
I'll explain it to you in a minute.
Absolute garbage.
Have a seat. Don't make it worse for yourself.
This suspect was charged with battery on an officer and 3 counts of resisting. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.